Juices to boost your immune system. No more sick days. Let's face it, nobody has time to be sick. Whether it's the sniffles, sneezes, or that mystery cough from the guy in the office who swears he's fine, your immune system deserves some backup. Drinking juices and smoothies isn't just trendy, it's smart. Think of them as colorful little bodyguards armed with vitamins, ready to karate chop invading germs before they crash your day. Your immune system is basically your body's bouncer. It works 24/7, scanning every cell like it's running airport security. But even the best bouncers need fuel. That's where these immune-boosting blends come in. The secret sauce? Nutrients. These recipes are loaded with the good stuff: vitamin C, zinc, antioxidants, and just enough leafy greens to say, "I'm adulting," without tasting like regret. And don't forget the hidden enemy: sodium. Yes, we're looking at you, sneaky processed juices and so-called healthy smoothies from the store. They're often laced with hidden sodium sources that can sabotage your immune system faster than a midnight pizza binge. Pro tip: if you can't pronounce it, maybe don't drink it. Start your day with a fresh, homemade juice that actually helps you. No mystery ingredients, no artificial anything. Just real fruits, real veggies, and real benefits. Because boosting your immune system shouldn't taste like punishment. No more sick days. Boost your immune system with these juices and dodge hidden sodium traps. Let's be real, no one wants to spend their week binge-watching cough syrup commercials. If your goal is no more sick days, it's time to fight back the delicious way, with juices that boost your immune system, starting first thing in the morning. We're not talking about those sketchy supermarket health drinks with more sodium than a bag of chips. Hidden sodium is everywhere, lurking in healthy juices, silently sabotaging your immune goals like a ninja with a salt shaker. But don't worry. These homemade blends skip the sneaky ingredients and go straight to the good stuff. 1. Citrus Blast, aka the Cough Crusher. Main players: orange, grapefruit, and other citrus heroes. This citrus explosion, adapted from Happy Foods tube, delivers about 60% of your daily vitamin C in each cup. That's like giving your immune system a personal trainer without the shouting. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and keeps your immune system sharp. While it won't turn you into a virus-proof superhero, studies suggest high doses may help reduce the severity and duration of colds. Pro tip: keep it fresh. Store-bought citrus juice often comes with a salty sidekick. Yes, sodium. Read those labels, or just squeeze it yourself like a juice boss. 2. Golden Glow Juice, aka Sick Day Slayer. Ingredients: carrots, apples, oranges. This vibrant recipe from the urban umbrella isn't just pretty, it's powerful. It packs vitamin A from carrots. Beta-carotene equals glow-up and germ fighting. Vitamin C from apples and oranges. Vitamin B6 from carrots, which helps your body make more immune cells. Together, these nutrients support immune cell production and antibody response, which basically means your body will be ready to kick germs out like an overhyped bouncer at a vitamin party. Oh, and the tart green apple cuts the sweetness just right, because even your taste buds deserve balance. Nutrition breakdown per glass. Potassium helps with hydration and blood pressure. Vitamin A, immune booster and skin savior. Vitamin B6, essential for healthy immune response. Vitamin C, your cold-fighting companion. The Root Awakening. Boost your immune system with this no-nonsense juice. Look, nobody wakes up and says, "I hope I get a runny nose and joint pain today." If you're on a mission for no more sick days, it's time to dig deep, literally. Enter the Root Squad. Carrots, beets, ginger, and apple. This immune-boosting, anti-inflammatory juice from Minimalist Baker doesn't just taste like wellness, it is wellness. Think of it as your immune system's hype team, showing up with vitamins, minerals, and a tiny bit of sass. So, what's in it for your body? Potassium to help with hydration, blood pressure, and that "I woke up on the wrong side of the bed" feeling. Vitamin A from the carrots and beets, giving your immune system the support it needs to stay alert and on guard. Vitamin B6 to help create those all-important immune cells. Vitamin B9, aka folate, from beets, for cell repair and regeneration. And a dash of vitamin C from apple, because what's a health drink without it? Now, let's talk about the secret saboteur in your kitchen, hidden sodium. That's right, some store-bought wellness juices sneak in sodium to extend shelf life and enhance flavor. But this homemade blend? Zero tricks. No preservatives, no fake health halo. Just real ingredients that do real work. And if you've got rheumatoid arthritis or deal with chronic inflammation, this is your moment. Ginger's got anti-inflammatory superpowers strong enough to make ibuprofen sweat. Tomato juice that won't betray you. Yes, we're looking at you, store-bought sodium bombs. If your idea of tomato juice comes from a can with a shelf life longer than your car lease, we've got news. It's time to upgrade. For anyone aiming to boost your immune system and live the no more sick life, homemade tomato juice is a total game changer. The recipe from Simply Recipes keeps things simple. Shocking, right? Just a few fresh ingredients, no juicer, no blender, and zero sketchy additives. All you need is a sieve and the will to strain your way to greatness. But why tomatoes? Because they're basically a multivitamin in fruit form, minus the pill bottle and chalky aftertaste. Here's what this crimson elixir delivers in one glass. Vitamin B9. Folate keeps your immune system running smoother than your favorite playlist. Magnesium. A natural anti-inflammatory that your body actually recognizes. Potassium. For hydration, heart health, and general feeling like a humanness. Vitamins A, B6, C, and K. Together they form a nutrient dream team that helps repair tissues, fight off infections, and keep your immune system from calling in sick. Now, if you're thinking, but can I just buy tomato juice? Sure, if you're also into drinking hidden sodium and preservatives with a side of regret. Many store-bought versions contain so much sodium, you'd be better off licking a pretzel. Homemade equals full control. No flavor enhancers, no sodium sneak attacks, just straight-up health in a glass. The Immunity Avengers. Kale, kiwis, and a dash of sass. If you're trying to boost your immune system without turning your taste buds into collateral damage, you're in the right kitchen. These juice and smoothie combos don't just say no more sick, they practically bully sickness into submission. 1. The Kale Mary, like a Bloody Mary, but without the guilt trip. Forget sugary fruit juice camouflaging the taste of kale. The Kale Mary, shout out to Tesco for the name, mixes bold tomato juice with kale and celery for a savory, no-nonsense immune shot. And if you're brave, toss in some spicy horseradish. Not only does it wake you up faster than your morning alarm, but it's also got legit anti-inflammatory powers, according to 2021 research. Immune MVPs per serving. Vitamin A from kale and tomato juice, the bodyguard for your immune cells. Magnesium, manganese, potassium, vitamin B6, and folate, basically a wellness board meeting in one glass. Bonus, store-bought tomato juice, often drenched in hidden sodium. Homemade, no salty surprises. 2. Strawberry kiwi smoothie, vitamin C with style. Sure, strawberries and kiwis may sound like a teen romance from the early 2000s, but together they pack a serious vitamin C punch. You'll need about 4 cups of strawberries for 1 cup of juice, so yes, this one's a smoothie, not a juice. Well-Plated's version adds skim milk for protein and vitamin D, which is notoriously hard to find unless you're sunbathing on a rooftop. Feeling fancy? Swap the milk for probiotic-rich Greek yogurt. Your gut bacteria will throw a party, and fewer sick days might be the after-party. Immunity boosters per serving. Vitamin C from strawberries and kiwi. Calcium plus vitamin D from skim milk or almond milk. Probiotics from Greek yogurt, if added. Potassium, phosphorus, manganese, B vitamins, the kind of resume your immune system loves. 3. Strawberry mango smoothie. Brunch vibes, health wins. Feel-Good Foodie brings us this brunch-inspired smoothie that tastes like vacation but fights like a pharmacy. It uses frozen fruit. Don't worry, frozen still means nutrient-packed, and you can sub in fresh if your fridge is feeling fancy. The real magic? Vitamin E from mango and almond milk. That's the antioxidant your immune system didn't know it was missing. Per serving perks include vitamin A, C, D, E, B6, B9, basically the entire alphabet. Potassium, calcium, manganese, strong bones, steady heartbeat, and stable energy. Watermelon mint juice, Summer vibes with immunity armor. If you thought watermelon was just for picnics and spitting seeds at your cousins, think again. This juicy red hero isn't just cooling you off. It's on a mission to boost your immune system and declare no more sick days in the most refreshing way possible. Enter watermelon mint juice. It's hydrating, it's zesty, and it comes with more benefits than your gym membership and fewer hidden fees. Let's talk nutrients. Vitamin C, your immune system's favorite party guest, boosting white blood cell function. Arginine plus citrulline, fancy amino acids that help improve blood flow and immune defense. Magnesium, the underdog mineral that keeps your nerves, muscles, and immune system chill. Vitamin A, because healthy cells need VIP treatment too. Plus, the water content is sky high. That means juicing watermelon is as easy as pressing play on a blender and wasting almost nothing in the process. Pro tip: add mint for flavor upgrade that feels like spa water but works like a secret weapon. And if you're feeling experimental, mix with apple or orange juice to crank up the vitamin cocktail. And remember, unlike those store-bought fruit juices loaded with hidden sodium and shelf-life science experiments, this drink has one mission: hydrate and heal without the betrayal. Pumpkin seed milk, the unsung hero of the No More Sick squad. Move over overpriced nut milks and sugar-loaded pumpkin spice imposters. Pumpkin seed milk is here to boost your immune system without the drama or the extra sweeteners. We found the real MVP in the Blender Girls recipe, which skips the added sugar, ditches store-bought apple juice, and gives your immune system what it actually needs, not a blood sugar roller coaster. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, zinc. You know, that mineral that's in almost every cold remedy ever? Pumpkin seeds are loaded with it. Zinc helps reduce inflammation and gives your immune cells the power to say, "Not today, virus." And unlike popping zinc tablets like candy, drinking this creamy, dairy-free elixir keeps things balanced, and bonus, it won't confuse your gut. Other notable nutrients include magnesium and manganese, muscle calm, brain clarity, and a little internal peace. Potassium, courtesy of a few sweet dates, nature's candy with actual benefits. Zinc, because your immune system deserves a personal bodyguard. Green apple, lettuce, and kale juice. Leave it to the greens. If you're one of those people who just doesn't like vegetables, this juice is about to change your entire personality. This leafy green blend is more than a health flex. It's a full-on immune system power move. The Show Me the Yummy recipe makes it easy to boost your immune system without looking like you're on a juice cleanse punishment. It's crisp, it's green, and it's basically what your immune cells dream of on vacation. We're talking iron and manganese so your blood and bones don't feel like they called in sick. Vitamin A and K, because your immune system, eyes, and bones need proper leadership. Vitamin C and folate, bringing backup for your cells in case things get viral. Potassium, keeping your electrolytes balanced like a yogi on a mountain. Feeling wild? Toss in parsley or spinach for an extra vitamin boost, because nothing says no more sick like drinking your salad before 9 a.m. Store-bought juice. Convenience or cold in a bottle. Let's be real. Sometimes you just don't have time to chop kale or lovingly pit a mango. And that's okay. But when you reach for store-bought juice, don't get duped by sneaky labels. Look for 100% juice with no added sugars and definitely no high fructose corn syrup masquerading as health. That's not fruit juice. It's a syrupy trap. Pro tip: skip the "from concentrate" unless it says 100% fruit concentrate. Bonus points if it doesn't taste like it's been sitting in a warehouse since the last ice age. If you're eyeing the juice aisle, orange juice is your safest bet. Compared to apple or cranberry, it's got more vitamin C per sip, which means more boost your immune magic and less "why am I sick again?" whining. Want to stay in the No More Sick club? Juices and smoothies are tasty tools, but don't stop there. Supercharge them with extras like chia seeds, flax, or wheat germ, because your immune system deserves the VIP package. And remember, wash your hands like you're about to perform surgery. Drink water like it's your job. Sleep like it's your side hustle. Move your body, yes, walking to the fridge counts barely. And maybe try not to stress over things you can't control, like whether the blender lid is really on tight. No juicer? No problem. Blender to the rescue. Just toss in your fruits, veggies, and a splash of coconut water or nut milk to get things whirring. You'll even keep the fiber, which means better digestion and longer-lasting energy. That's right, your smoothie is working overtime. Whether it's fresh pressed juice or a speedy smoothie, it's all about giving your body the tools to fight back, stay strong, and boldly declare, "No more sick."